Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HONOR X70i and let me share with you how to change the 3 buttons navigation into the gestures in this device. Alright, so let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find System and Updates. Then let's tap on System Navigation, and as you can see here we've got two different options. Before we will set the gestures and before I'll show you how to use them, I just wanted to draw your attention to the 3 keys. So if you will decide that you want to stick to this option, you can customize it. So for example, reorder the back button and the recents and show this additional icon. You've got also circle to search and navigation dock, you can turn it on. Alright, to set the gestures, simply tap on this option right here, and if you want to, you can go through the tutorial. You can simply tap on Start and Learn. I will show you how to use the gestures in a second. So here, instead of the 3 buttons, of course, we've got this line which is responsible for some gestures. You can decide whether you want to show it or hide it just by using the switcher. And here you've got more options, like for example, slide across button to switch apps, again navigation dock or Google Assistant. Alright, so in order to get back to the previous page, just like by using the back button, you have to swipe your finger from the side to the center until you'll see this arrow. As you can see, it's better not to keep this gesture for too long, because we will open this slide bar. So just swipe and release the finger, and as you can see we just got back. And the same situation from the right side. If you'd like to get back directly to the home page, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device and make sure that this motion is quick and short, so something like that. And if you'd like to open the recent, so repeat the gesture, so from the bottom to the center again, but hold your finger somewhere here, something like that. And here we've got the recents. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.